How to log in Velomingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into your Velomingo account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Velomingo, first of all open up your App Store or your Google Play Store and then make sure to download the Velomingo application, which is the Velocity Edit Maker. Now once you've downloaded this Velomingo app, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open it up. Now once you basically open it up, you might want to wait until the app has been successfully loaded up, so I might as well go ahead and then do that. So by default it's going to ask me to purchase the premium, but I'm just going to ignore that. I'll just tap on the crossed icon over here on the top left, and then over here you can see create new project. But to log into your account you can just tap on the three lines icon over here, and then you'll find different type of options. Basically you can choose to log in with any of these options, or you can just tap on the option called create new option over here, tap on allow, and then you'll be able to successfully select a media, and then go ahead and then simply create a new project, and then just tap on this crossed out icon here and then sign in to your Velomingo account in that way. And that is it on how you can actually log into Velomingo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.